Hello guys, today we'll see chemical reactions of haloarenes. So first type is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So in nucleophilic substitution reaction we know that nucleophile is substituted. Nucleophile is electron rich species, but here benzene is also electron rich, so both are electron rich, so attack of nucleophile on benzene is very difficult. So how Cl gets substituted? So for that very high temperature and pressure is required in the presence of NaOH, 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, and after that treating with H plus ion, Cl goes out and OH from NaOH takes its place. So substitution happens, but at very high temperature and pressure. If we use electron withdrawing group like nitro group, if that is present on benzene ring, then what will it do? It will take electrons from benzene, and that's why benzene becomes electron deficient. So nucleophile can substitute chlorine easily. So see, again NaOH is used, 443 Kelvin, so temperature is less now. Why? Because this makes the benzene ring more electrophilic by taking electrons from benzene, and again with H plus we'll get this OH in place of Cl. If we put more NO2 groups, so here there are two NO2 groups, so both are NO2 are electron withdrawing, both take electrons from benzene, and that's why temperature becomes less, 368 Kelvin only required. NaOH is as it is and H plus, so Cl goes, OH comes. And next one, there are three NO2 groups, so all are electron withdrawing and they take electrons from benzene. So this reaction happens by just warming with water, so OH comes from water in this reaction. So see, when we increase NO2 group, that is nitro group, reaction becomes easier on benzene. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that's all about nucleophilic substitution reactions on haloarenes. Now we'll see electrophilic substitution reaction. So attack of electrophile is easy on benzene because electrophile are electron deficient species, they are positively charged, and benzene is electron rich species. So in halogenation reaction, halogen is substituted, Cl plus ion is formed by reaction of FeCl3 with chlorine. So at that reaction Cl plus is formed, which acts as electrophile, and that's attack on benzene ring. Here already a chlorine is there. So halogens are electron withdrawing, but they are exceptional, they are ortho-para directing. So remember, whenever there is halogen on benzene ring, so the incoming electrophile will be ortho and para directing. So chlorobenzene in the presence of chlorine gas and anhydrous FeCl3, it will give para-chlorobenzene or 1,4-dichlorobenzene as major product and 1,2-dichlorobenzene as minor product. So mostly para is the major product because there is no crowding. In ortho we can see crowding of because of this crowding it becomes minor. So para is the major product. Then next reaction is nitration reaction. For nitration, nitrating mixture is used, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. So by treating them, they will produce nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus, and that NO2 plus again attacks on ortho as well as para. Here again para is the major product. So para is the major product again here. So 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene is minor product. Then next reaction is sulfonation. In sulfonation, SO3H is an electrophile produced by concentrated sulfuric acid. Again para is the major product, Cl is ortho-para directing. So again here para is major product, ortho is minor because of steric hindrance. So we get two products after substitution, 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is the major product because it is para 1. And now last one, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So when chloromethane is treated with chlorobenzene in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So here in Friedel-Crafts reaction, CS3 possess delta positive charge, so CS3 acts as electrophile. So attack of electrophile takes place at ortho and para position, and again para isomer is the major product. So with anhydrous AlCl3, 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene is the major product and 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene is the minor product. So this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction because alkyl group is substituted. Similar to this, another reaction, chlorobenzene plus acyl chloride CS3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it will give 4-chloroacetophenone. So again ortho and para products are formed and para is the major product. So 4-chloroacetophenone, that is COCS3, is the major product and 2-chloroacetophenone is the minor product. Here the electrophile is COCS3. We know that halogen possess negative charge, partial negative charge, so carbon possess partial positive charge, so this carbon acts as electrophile here, so COCS3. So 4-chloroacetophenone is the major product here. So that's all about electrophilic substitution reaction. Thanks for watching the video.